Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a 19-week pregnancy update. I've been feeling really good, currently getting things ready to move to the Toronto area. So we're going to be leaving in about 2 weeks, and there's a lot of packing to do, but we're not taking any major furniture pieces. It's mostly just small personal items and clothes and that sort of thing. So once I get there, then I'll be able to start thinking about the things that we need as a family and also for the baby. So as most of you know, I have a midwife here in Ottawa, and I'm now just trying to see if I can transfer to a different city halfway through my pregnancy. Sometimes that can be a challenge depending on the demand and how busy the midwives are, because usually you have to get on with them pretty early. So I'm hoping that there won't be too much of an issue and that I can have someone more local, close to the home where we'll be living. I'll keep you updated on that because I'll have to have a new doctor, a new midwife, and start over. So I'm not too worried about that, and I know I'll find someone and make sure that I'm in good hands. You're almost at the halfway mark, so next week, week 20, will be the halfway mark of the pregnancy, the 4.5 month mark, and I really I just can't believe how quickly, I keep saying this in every video, how quickly the weeks are going by. This week, week 19, I haven't been feeling anything very different. Again, just noticing that I have to really stay away from situations that can trigger frustration or maybe extreme emotional responses, so high stress environments or people that, you know, they're not supportive. It's really important to not have toxic energy in your life, whether you're pregnant or not pregnant, because it really can just confuse you and just really get you stuck in this emotional state. So I'm really doing the best to not focus on that and only surround myself with good people, positive people, and those that are really supportive. And you guys have been just so amazing over the last few weeks. I love reading your comments and your stories, and it's just really nice to be able to connect with mothers-to-be. Some of you are new mothers, you just found out you're pregnant, which is amazing news. Other comments and stories that I've been getting are mothers who share their stories and their experiences. So I really enjoy being a part of this YouTube community. And again, if there's anything that I can do to help you guys, just let me know, and I would love to share that content with you. So as far as cravings go, week 19, I haven't had any major cravings. I'm not really feeling the need to eat anything sweet or salty. It's just sort of regular, healthy, balanced meals. This week I've been trying to emphasize on the vitamin D. So because again, we're in the dead of winter, we only get a few sunny days in the month, and I try to get that 20-minute of sun exposure just so I make sure that my vitamin D level is at a healthy range. And also it's also very important for the baby to have that as well. So I have a funny story to share with you. Most of you know the brand, well, if you're in Canada and you're familiar with maternity wear, there's a company called Maternity, and I was in Toronto the other week and I walked by one of their ad campaigns for a breastfeeding bra they were trying to advertise. And I had to take a double take at this image. The model they used was so, I mean, she didn't have any breasts. And I don't know why, I just got really, I just couldn't stop staring at this image. And again, being in the modeling industry, and I've been in the fashion and modeling industry now for about 15 years, and it's been a really tough journey trying to relate to some of the images that these brands and these companies are using. So anyways, I just was really surprised to see that even, you know, large maternity wear companies are not really using models or mothers that are representative of the general population. Like, I know for myself, I'm not even at the halfway mark, and I feel my breasts have really grown quite substantially. I think they're now almost a D cup, and I just can't imagine relating to an image or looking to buy a breastfeeding bra and being able to really connect with the product. Because I'm at the stage now where I guess I will have to start shopping for maternity wear. I'm trying to avoid it, but it's becoming a little bit challenging with the clothes that I do have. They are getting quite tight. Even this shirt, this denim shirt I'm wearing, as you can see, the buttons are kind of popping out. So if you have any maternity wear suggestions or clothing that you've ordered online that you're really happy with, just leave them in the comments below, because I'm looking to buy some maternity clothes. So the baby is the size of a cantaloupe. I can't believe how the progression is happening now so quickly, and the changes are so quickly as well. We will be finding out the gender late next week, so I'm still on the fence deciding whether I want to reveal the gender or keep it as a secret for my husband and I. Let me know how you decided, if you wanted to share the gender news to your family and to the public, or if you kept it to yourself, and how you made that decision, because I'm sort of in that stage right now where I'm not sure yet what I want to do. But I definitely would love to find out if it's going to be a boy or girl. As far as supplements go, I will do another video just to show you some of the extra supplements that I've been taking, because again, I don't eat meat, and most of you know that. So I am making sure that my body is getting the nutrients and the vitamins and minerals that it needs for a healthy baby to grow. So I'll do a separate video completely on all the vitamins and supplements that I'm incorporating in my day-to-day routine. So I'm going to show you the baby bump now. So this is week 19. This is what my 19-week tummy looks like. So as you can see, it's expanding slowly. But I'm finding a lot of the weight is actually also going into the hip and the thigh area. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!